Let's go. Let's go. You better work, boy. You better get your shit, man. This boy better stop playing. This boy better... People think I won't survive this. I will survive.
Dumb ways to die.
I will not pause once.
Okay.
Though he is the bias wrecker, my bias is Tay. Unless you forgot who I am. Nah, but seeing Jimin grow up from the very beginning to now, it's gonna be. I mean, I'm already amazed on its own without even watching the music video. I actually this morning I listened to Augusty Sugar's "Set Me Free." I think it was an interlude. I don't know. I believe I'm not. I don't think I'm ready. Yo, even my Discord talking shit. I legit said yawns and stretches because I just woke up. It's, oh, he up. Jimin will knock you back to sleep. Huh? You gotta prepare yourself for Jimin. Anyway, shout out to my Discord. Go follow it. If Jimin were to punch me, I would say thank you. Oh, please, Jimin, don't punch me. Punch me with your love. What? I told Jimin to punch me with his love.
Ooh. Me too.
Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. Y'all better like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody. You better share it with the army. Day 1 army, let's go. Jimin, Set Me Free, Part 2, official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bum. I don't know why I did that. Alright, what? 19 seconds, bitch! Jimin didn't even not show up. He didn't even show up. Where is he? Where he at? It's like finding Where's Waldo. Where you at, Jimin? Jimin? Where are you? Jimin? 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 19 seconds. It's that new world record. I don't know. The dancers, the presence gave me chills already. Is this heaven or hell or both? Nah, it's just Jimin's. Oh, he's in the middle. He's in the middle somewhere. He's gonna pop up. He gonna pop up. He gonna pop up. I'm sorry. How did that? Hey. It just affect me. Hold on. Let me turn this up a little bit. Let me turn this up a little bit. Hey. Oh, we got an anthem up in here. Ah! Okay. You might get, based off this, it might be Song of the Year. I love a good horn, you know what I'm saying? Because you can call me horny.
Cut the cameras.
Don't ever fucking make that joke ever again, Drake. God. Damn. Get your shit, Jimin. Turn this up. Turn this up. Hennessy at night? What you know about Hennessy? Yo, yo, Jimin, I just want to let you know. Hey, Jimin, hey. You, me, and some Hennessy. Let's link up, you know what I'm saying? Get a little tipsy, you know, talk some shit, you know what I'm saying? You can tell me, I can tell you. Keep it in the vault, you know what I'm saying? Hennessy at night? Would you stop it? Never. Fuck all your ops. Wait, who's your op? Hey, yo, fuck the ops, bro. You know what? If Jimin can curse, I'm a curse. I was like bleeping myself, but fuck the ops. Let's go. Fuck all your ops. Woo. Hey. Not yet. Okay. Look at the circle, like the swirl with the dancers. God damn, how many stops was this? How many pauses? Oh my fuck. Yo, my Discord's gonna tear my ass up. I swear. Join my Discord. Anyways, the butterfly part got me. Alright, let me stop pausing. I'm sorry. Okay. Even if it hurts. Hey, put that shoulder away. They look buff. Woo! Hey, hey, let me get on this remix. Let me get on this remix, Jimin. I'll rap. Wait, I heard he raps in this. I know someone spoiled it for me. God damn it. Ooh, look at the tat. Ooh. Set me free. Ooh, it's dirty. It's nasty. Oh, I keep on pausing. I'm dumb. This whole beat, just Jimin's voice, it just got me with that stank face. I don't know if y'all know what the stank face, when the beat hits so hard or the voice hits you hard and you go like, that's what it is. That shit hitting. It's a good type of stank. You better stop, sir. What you want? What you want? I'll do anything. What? This boy better stop playing. This boy better... This shit got me in all types of ways, bro. Where my Hennessy at? I need some Hennessy. Hold up. I'm going back. I don't care what y'all say. You all can complain. No, he's keep on pausing and shit. Shut up. Let me enjoy my shit. What is the... At 155. 155. Man, it was like hypnotism, bro. It's like hypnotism. Huh? All right, anyway. Let's go. Let's go. You better work, boy. You better get your shit, man. Get out of this way. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. I'm out. Shut the fuck up. Any hater of Jimin. Fuck you, bro. I'll fuck you up. Oh my god, my heart palpitates. Oh my god. I am too hype. Alright, I'm calm. How you gonna do that butterfly move with no shirt on, girl? Fuck. That was for me. Ooh, look at the dancers too, girl. Ooh, this might be song of the year. I think it is. Set him free. Set my homie free. Jimin 2024, 2023. Set him free. Look at your hands. God damn, Jimin. Let's go. Is that tattoos all over his body, or is that a sheer shirt? I can't even tell. All I know is that I see his nipples. I know you do too, so don't even judge me. God, who that? Oh, he set free. He all in white. What's up, boo? I mean, what? Sorry, Tay. I tell you, my bias record really be getting me sometimes. Whoo. Oh, and this is like the single to his like upcoming mini album, which is coming out soon too. That was an inner outer body experience right there. Off the bat with the music, like the music and the dancers, just you see the imagery. This has to be some type of meaning in the lore of BTS, I feel. Oh, the dancers killed this ish. Boom. That's an epic beginning though. Boom. Hey. I love it. Oh, anything with a good horns. Them horns really do be hitting the music really. Get it, get it, get it, get it. And he just it reminds me of On, actually. Is this like a continuation of On? Whew. That Hennessy at night really got me. What you know about Hennessy, sir? You be drinking that Hennessy? You know what? If you got a lot of money and you were curious about alcohol, you would try a Hennessy at least once. Hennessy stock going up as we speak. He said, "Fuck all your ops." You know, I try to like refrain myself from cursing, but if your faves are cursing, why not? Ooh, the camera work in this is crazy too. Nothing midi. Oh no, there's some editing. Ooh, I love this. I love the butterfly part so much. Ooh. I won't hide anymore, even if it hurts. Damn. Bro, he kept this in a vault for how long? Bro, I wish I was one of those special few that got to hear this. Like, you know, okay, so sometimes you have like these listening sessions. If you have like friends who are artists, they like, oh, let me show you this song that's unreleased. If I was ever friends with Jimin and he showed me this, I would freak out. I'd be like, bro, you got something here. You got this. This might take over the whole world, type of shit. I mean, right now, look at him. He's taking over the world right now. He been, though. He is the world. He's my world. Ooh, the lighting? Ooh, I love it. I love the background, the music, the instruments, the backup vocals too. Oh, shout out to my boy Chancellor. I heard his voice was in the like being used in this too. Shout out to Chancellor. He's killing it too. Sorry, I had to watch. Yeah, get out of his way, fool. Shut the F up, bro. Shut up. You talk your shit, Jimin. It's become my prime time. You in your prime. Bro, you know what? Out of everyone, I was scared of Jimin's solos because I know he was gonna pop off hard. Nah, a lot of the BTS members can pop off hard though, and they have. But Jimin though, I was scared. Like solos. I'm always scared of his solos, and he's taking it to a whole nother level. Yo, you see homegirl really serious with that? Look at this girl right here. Ha 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 ha. Damn, he got that. Oh, okay. That's a bad pause. I'm sorry. She got that. Oh my god. Look at the pause. Oh my god. Look at all these pause. Oh my god. Everybody's like summoning a demon. What's happening here? Yo. Woo. Set me free. They literally are like, give me your energy on some Goku shit. I mean, to be honest, Army gives power to Jimin. So basically, it is like some Goku Spirit Bomb stuff. Ooh, that's a fire shot. Kind of reminds me of like Black Swan-ish type of ish too. That's a cool shot. Wait, how'd they do that? They just cut away, right? Yeah, they cut away. I thought they were trying to hide the cut, but no. My edit, I mean. And now he's in all white. Purity. I guess the next track, maybe the next track's gonna be more like, you know, toned down maybe. That's what I'm guessing. Alright, put the comments down below what you guys think. You know what, actually you don't even have to. It's a good song. It's a dope music video, good song, good choreography. Overall, I love the instrumental, especially with his voice. He was getting his rap-ish, he's drinking his Hennessy. He said F the ops. He said shut the F up. He's on his villain arc. He said, at least in this part. Jimin, you're always gonna be one of my faves. That's why you're my bias wrecker. You were right, Discord. I was gonna pause a lot. Alright. Guys, go follow the Discord. We're probably gonna be talking about Jimin for like a whole month. If you ever feel like you're left out or like, you know, want to talk about K-pop, go to my Discord. It's a fun time over there. Link in description. Guys, hey yo, for K-pop and chill tonight, y'all better donate for some Jimin. I don't care if I see it 5 times. Y'all better donate. Again, K-pop and chill is tonight as well. Every Friday. Should be a fun time around, I think, 4 p.m. PST. I'm gonna start. Yeah. This is your boy JRE. This is Jimin. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Yeah. All right. Bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.